Isn't it fascinating that every person on this planet is so different? It is unacceptable to see that so many of us live our lives without really paying attention to essential things, without even questioning who we really are, to finish our life full of regrets. I would like to see more people who, instead of being stressed and negative, are happy and audacious. I would like to see more people who, instead of shoving and despising on superficial things, appreciate, help and listen to each other. My goal is utopian, I know it well, and this message is not addressed to those who do not want to evolve or who are satisfied with their existence, but to all those who want to build a better life and have the determination to make the necessary changes. If this is your case, I suggest you my content, vary topic and format so that everyone can find what suits him best. YouTube videos, Instagram posts, Facebook page and more, but also a website that centralizes all this information, openeyelearning.com. I leave you with Gandhi's proverb, which I've slightly reworked: be the change you want to see in the world, and subscribe to the OpenEye channel.